I get a lot of consultations from people who are interested in applying for citizenship, but they're worried that their English skills are not strong enough. So number one, they have to study the civics exam in English, and number two, there's an independent English test as well. Okay, so I have something that I advise people to do, and I think it's a very easy way to kind of test yourself about whether your skills are strong enough, and that is to read and answer the questions that are on the actual N400 exam, okay? Because the English test during the citizenship examination is actually quite easy. Usually they'll just ask you a simple question like, where is the White House? And then you have to answer verbally and say the White House is in Washington, D.C. And then they'll say, okay, write that answer on the tablet that's in front of you. So that's easy, right? I actually find that the harder part of the English skills are not the test per se, but actually just conducting the entire interview in English, okay? Because they ask you all those security questions. So that's what I tell clients. I say, if you're not sure, then go home, download the N400 form online, print it out, and read through the entire application because the officer is going to go through that application with you. They're going to ask you your name, address, marital history, about your kids, have you ever been arrested, and then all those numerous security questions, okay? Have you ever committed a crime for which you were not arrested? Have you ever made a false claim of US citizenship? All those things, and they're going to ask you in English. So you're going to need to understand the question, and you're going to need to be able to answer the question, all right? So that, I guess, is the kind of, in my opinion, the best way to know if your English is enough. If you can do that, if you can have your spouse or a friend or a kid test you with a form and you can understand it all and answer it all well, then I would say you should feel confident being able to do the N400 interview successfully. If you have any questions about your citizenship application or any other immigration matter, click the link in my bio or go ahead and visit my website and we can schedule a consultation. Thanks.